Hey, I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the back like
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is another weekend vlog, and it is Easter Sunday, Easter weekend, Passover. If you celebrate it, if you know, you know. I want to wish y'all a safe and healthy and happy as always. And you know what I'm saying, have fun with your family. If you don't have family, well, have fun with yourself, honey. Yes, I'm that mama. Hey, happy Easter, y'all, whoever celebrates it. Say happy Easter, guys. Turn around. Say everybody be safe.
Everybody be safe.
You got to look at the camera. Oh, bunny down.
This is Bunny.
Yeah, she fell. Yep, she's gone.
Bubble party.
Yeah, bubble party. It's a bubble party.
This bubble is for everyone.
Nice.
Oh.
Yeah.
And look at this.
Whoa, cool.
And it's for all of y'all.
Nice.
This is for all of y'all.
You hear the ice cream truck?
Ice cream truck.
Stay right here. Wait, stop running back and forth, all right? It's dangerous. Yay!
I like the music.
Hello. Oh, hi. Hi, how are you? We was looking. Yeah, y'all like it? Yeah, let me see Chop. I don't know what she's doing. But what you doing? What are you doing? Look at your mouth. No. Trying to bite me? Yeah. You can't do it. Nope. Nope. Auntie, too quick. Too quick for that shenanigans. Yeah. Too quick.
Nova like the red Doritos, don't she?
Yeah. Draw me a flower.
I want her to do a heart very up.
Okay.
I'll throw you a flower.
Okay, thank you.
She said she got you a heart for her.
Olivia.
Oh, that's a
Uh-oh. What's going on? Sir?
Should I put them right here? So you can at least get close to them.
Yeah, you can. Oh, I got a tulip.
Come here.
Thank you. Yes. Okay, hold on. I'm looking at my flower first. Yeah. Oh, I feel so special.
Come on. Look.
Oh, thank you. I love it. In your mouth.
So pretty.
In your mouth.
Oh, it's a happy sun. All right. That's good. Is it yummy? Nice. Yay. Dun,
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 dun, dun,
dun,
dun, dun, dun. Hey. Watermelon dance. Watermelon dance. It's the watermelon dance. Watermelon dance. Hey, watermelon dance. Oh. Okay, at this point, we had just come back from Pennsylvania. I went to see one of my friends that I love so much. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey. And we had so much fun. But listen, your girl is tired of driving. So we about to head out. And I had to change her jacket. We about to go to Five Below. So you already know me and my nephew, we about to find some toys. Okay, I already know that's what aunties do. Let's go see what's going on. Oh, look at my boopsie doops. She getting so tall, guys. Oh my goodness. Can you believe she about to be 5? I'm about to have a 5-year-old. Why is everyone pressuring me to have another one right now? They need to have it. This is nice. You like this?
Daddy.
This is nice.
Daddy.
Okay, spaghetti. Nice. Ramen noodle.
I'm looking out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go.